Jean Greer here at Stylish Fireplaces with some more tips on placing your TV above your electric fireplace. And you could apply this to your artwork as well in some cases. We've always talked about how to mount these things for aesthetic purposes. So we don't want to see the bottom of the TV higher than 42 inches because it would be uncomfortable for viewing in most situations. And we like to see the bottom of the fireplace no lower than 12 inches to the floor, just from an aesthetic point of view. Layered into that, we need to talk about this trend that the manufacturers have with electric fireplaces. Some of them are starting to publish a heat table. So what that shows you is the wall temperature that could be achieved under certain situations. Worst case scenario, the wall surface temperature at various heights above the top of the fireplace. Why that matters is that if you look in your TV owner's manual, those manufacturers have also got a chart showing that the maximum safe temperature for the TV is. So they want to protect the electronics from excessive heat. They know that we're putting our TVs above fireplaces, and often we're putting them above gas fireplaces, which are excessively hot. And so the manufacturer is saying, if you expose your TV to temperature X, we won't warranty it. So some of the electric fireplace manufacturers are copying the gas fireplace manufacturers and putting a heat chart in the owner's manual. This isn't widespread yet, but it is something to pay attention to. So they're going to tell you at so many inches above the top of the fireplace, if the heater is on, this wall temperature could be achieved. And then you're going to take that and go to your TV owner's manual and make sure that your TV is in the safe zone. You could also apply the same theory to artwork, although I don't know what the safe temperature for artwork would be, but you could consult with your gallery on that. One of the ways that you can protect your TV without having to push it way up the wall is to recess it. With an electric fireplace, the heater is not heating up the wall from the inside. When they give you that chart, it is the surface temperature of the wall if the heat were to blow directly up, which is very rare, but we can't be 100% sure of every installation not doing that. So if the heat were to blow up the wall, what would the temperature of the wall surface be? It is not heating up the wall from behind as it would in a gas fireplace. So if you recess your TV and get it away from the wall surface and push it back a little bit, you can protect it that way. The other thing you could do, of course, is to put a mantle ledge here between the top of the fireplace and the bottom of the TV, and that's going to deflect any heat that could be rising from the fireplace, and the TV would be protected, and then you could keep it on the wall surface. So just be aware that this is happening with some electric fireplaces. You will see that chart and you'll be wondering, why do I need to know this? It's to protect your electronics. They do not want to be liable for your TV failing, and so they're protecting themselves by putting that heat chart in there. In our experience, if the heater is on, the glass is not getting hot, and generally the wall isn't getting hot either, but we don't know every installation out there, and you certainly need to be aware of it and protect your own electronics and artwork accordingly. Check out your owner's manual at stylishfireplaces.ca or wherever you've purchased your electric fireplace and see if that chart is in the manual.